I kill out all the whole of Bumbuckler police them. Hold on, no man a murder. So when you think you look a state of emergency when you put on can save you. Murder man a murder every Bumbuckler thing. When you like police pussy. When you kill man brother Batty boy, hold on no me a kill pussy. Hold on. I want to make man heart cold. And you know me hold on. I want to harm me a kill. And some dirty pussy girl when the fuck some police, all man holding on the head me a go up now. Here, be a gunshot in on the face. When man holding on be a headshot man a give now. When you kill man brother, think I saw you go. Hold on no pussy man a come murder. Hold on no. Think state of emergency can save you no. Murder me think them. No fun no go like you no killer and no know about killer life. Wait till more no pussy. Right now man a 16 and a 25 murder man dey point. Do the maths. A kill man a come kill in front of state of emergency. Brawling. Mego day. Pussy. Dead boy and dead girl there. Be a headshot.
Where I tell my killer?
If you know anyone in your community that involved in any type of criminal activity, would you report it to the necessary authorities?
Yeah, brother, and that really ask me say.
No, my dad, you know say, in a real life, I don't really respond to that man when I do stealing, my dad. I'm gonna have to just carry on anything and just know say, yo, if you get all of that by me, my dad, you see me?
Yes, it's necessary.
Why so?
Because it is illegal. Yeah.
Go report to police. No, me no support court. So carry news to police and something with me promote. Them say he that keepeth his mouth, keepeth his life.
If you not do not to change the crime rate in Jamaica, this is the reality will go happen in action. What you are going to do to make a change?
Go from myself, pussy. You're informer. Everybody in this world have illegal activity to live in. You hear that?
Yo, this is the type of Jamaica I don't want to live in. Since I saw no want you, so it go stay. You know what this bring? Grave. Be a dead paper. Everywhere. Only you can make it better. What you are going to do to make a change?
Informer, we not carry news, and that we choose. So for that you pick, you are going to lose. I'm out.
Yeah, yo. Obviously I would, because like it is illegal. If I know about it, I would report it to whoever's supposed to know. That's just it.
So you don't know, I'm not cater with nobody, you know I'm not informed already. And I have nothing to do with that part there.
Probably my report it, I don't know because the same authorities and the wickedness nowadays too, you know. So probably my report it, I don't know if I report it.
Well, if I know someone that create doing that, I would never tell it to the authority, and the reason why is that because you tell them today and tomorrow you are a dead person, because I don't know how they would. They know, but I guess it's the police, them same one that's bringing back the information back to the criminal. As much as I would like to see them off the street, I don't think I would take that chance. Thank you.
What am I ask Mr. Brother? You know, we're not going to play them game, they don't.
Yeah, man, we have to do it, man, because we have to make sure that the youth them go in a safe environment. You see me, because I better one for the youths them.
Brother, that don't make no sense, brother. I may see you move from your circle and, you see me, go on about your business, because that don't make no sense to what.
You better go to school and love badness. You know what this bring? Pain. Think me a laugh with you know?